One thing you always need as a photographer is a good quality backpack, even aside from a camera bag, because we have a lot of stuff to carry with us everywhere we go. Now, NAYO Smart was kind enough to send me this backpack to review. Now, this is the NAYO Smart Herman Pro in gray, and I've been using it as my main backpack for just over a week now. It's worth noting that it also comes in classic black, but I was only sent the gray version, so that's the variant you're going to be seeing in this video. One of the main things I look for in a backpack is utility and style, and the Herman Pro nails both of those criteria. It has a very minimalistic yet sophisticated design that looks good but also allows for plenty of function. Also very lightweight, so it doesn't add much weight to what you're already carrying in it. Now, you might be like me in this, but I always carry electronics with me wherever I go. Usually my laptop for on-the-go photo and video editing, my phone, and a pair of headphones. A big concern with that is rain or snow seeping through the backpack material and potentially damaging my electronics or beginning to mold. The Herman Pro has 3 layers of different materials for water resistance while still keeping things lightweight and preventing mold from forming should it get fairly wet. While most other backpacks just use a coated outer layer for water resistance, the Herman Pro actually uses a Lycra spandex outer layer for elasticity and comfort. Now, I wasn't too sure what that is, so I looked it up, and the material provides incredible breathability, preventing mold even in humid and sealed environments. The middle layer is actually a molecular waterproof membrane, preventing electronics from getting damaged even in heavy rain. I haven't been able to test this out myself though, because we haven't had much rain here over the last week or so. In fact, we've actually had sunny days that were warm, and today, as of today and yesterday, first day of spring, it's now snowing. Canada, am I right? And the third layer is actually made of nylon, providing strength and abrasion resistance while maintaining its lightweight nature. Overall, it's a very comfortable material with a pleasing touch and stylish look. Even though it's not a camera bag, in a pinch, it has enough storage space that you could put your camera in there if it started to rain or snow heavy to protect it. The bag features 20 liters of storage with 13 segmented storage pockets. And because the bag looks so minimalistic and stylish, it's actually hard to find those compartments, but they're there and they're hidden and tucked away nicely, but still very easy to get at. So there's more than enough storage space for everything you need to bring with you, or if you're traveling light, it can easily fit 2 days worth of clothing. There's also laptop and tablet pockets in the rear compartment that can accommodate up to a 16-inch laptop and a 13-inch tablet. Those pockets are lined with flannel and 2mm EVA foam to protect your devices and provide 360-degree shock absorption. The material is incredibly soft and non-abrasive, so you don't have to worry about it scratching your devices. In the same compartment, there is a zippered pocket that includes mesh material front so that you can easily see what's inside. That would be perfect for storing SD cards, external storage devices, phone charging cables, and so on. Outside of that pocket, there's still extra storage space, maybe for a book or a journal or something thin. This part is really cool too. That rear compartment has a zipper that connects to the main storage compartment without having to unbuckle and unzip the main compartment if you need quick access. A very convenient feature to have if you just need to quickly grab something from the main compartment without having to fully unlock it. Now, the main compartment has a couple really cool features before we even get inside. The first feature is a Fidlock magnetic fastener that is strong enough to keep it secure, but also easy enough to quickly unlock with one hand by pushing the 2 halves in opposite directions, just like this. This is a really cool, unique feature that I haven't really seen on many backpacks. Most others just have straight up magnets that can easily be pulled apart or knocked by something accidentally and come apart, or buckles that are a little harder to undo with one hand. The Fidlock magnetic fastener combines the ease of magnets with the sturdiness and security of an actual buckle. It really is a great design choice, and I love it. Once you unlock that, you can unroll the top of the backpack to reveal a large L-shaped zipper that'll provide easy access to the main compartment and everything inside of it. I really like this design choice of the L-shaped zipper and the magnetic slide lock. I think it looks very sleek and prevents people from sneakily opening your backpack without you knowing it while it's on your back. Inside the main compartment, there's plenty of storage space with 2 small pockets that could accommodate a portable battery charger or other items. Like I said, this backpack has plenty of utility options and storage space while remaining sleek and minimalistic looking. There are still 3 other storage compartments on this backpack, 1 on the front and 2 on the side. Though these compartments are a little more limited on storage space and meant for smaller items, but it's still nice to have that extra storage space and options. Overall, the build quality of the Herman Pro feels very high quality and like a lot of thought went into this backpack. It's also very comfortable to wear with its EVA foam lined backing and shoulder straps. There's a good amount of cushion while wearing it, and it doesn't hurt my shoulders like some other backpacks after extended carrying times. The shoulder straps are very easy and smooth to adjust as well with minimal effort, but once you have them where you want them, they are solid and don't move that easy, even with a heavy load in the bag. I think this bag would make a great everyday carry backpack for those who want style and function on the go. It would also make a great laptop bag, school bag, or carry-on option. This is an all-rounder backpack for sure. While it isn't specifically a camera bag, it would make a great accompaniment to your camera bag when on the go. For when you need to bring a change of clothing with you for an event or wedding, as well as your laptop and tablet, or if you're a travel photographer and need a carry-on option. This would be a great choice. I'm really happy with this backpack, and it's definitely going to be my main backpack for the foreseeable future. Thanks again, NAYO Smart, for sending this to me. I really enjoyed using it and reviewing it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. To the returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys, and to the new viewers, thanks for giving my channel a chance. I hope you guys stick around. If you're looking for more gear recommendations, check out my video on gear every beginner photographer must own right here.